sister. Oh, Earl's saying hi to you. He was waving.
What?
What's sister doing here in the middle of the day? Is that funny, Earl?
Are you excited?
Are you happy?
Woo!
You gonna get back up there? You don't have anything to say to sister?
I know.
She came to see you.
You're so quiet.
Yeah. Are you happy? Buster.
Normally,
I know.
It's quiet.
Well, he was just losing his mind.
Oh.
Did you hear? I'm sure you heard him.
Oh, yes, I did.
Are you gonna get all pretty first for sister? You gotta preen.
Woo!
Who is that? Say hi, sister. Oh, there we go. You hear all those voices. That's some of it, too. Here's everybody. Woohoo!
Woo!
Tell sister a story.
Just what he gives me like
I
that.
know.
That's 30.
You helping, boss?
This will be 30 and a quarter. See.
Okay.
And then the height. The height of your door.
Just from the same.
From there to the
Yep.
ground.
Okay.
And I'll leave it short.
Yeah.
You gonna help?
What are you talking about?
Yeah. What, Buster?
What? Nuh-uh. Not true. Tell sister your story.
What?
It was different? Nuh-uh. We don't believe you.
What else?
Then what happened?
Yeah, what?
Then Buster picked up a toothbrush and all was well. The end.
Buster? You know he was sitting up there and he climbed up in my pocket?
No, I didn't see him.
Dad was talking to me.
What? You having words with your sister?
Yeah, what else? What else, Buster? Is that it?
You throwing claws?
Yeah, what else?
Did you throw claws with somebody? Hmm? See, that wasn't even funny.
Buster?
What else?
Little
That
Buster.
feels so good.
Come here, I'll pet you.
Are you baby Buster?
Look at the baby.
Oh,
I'm a
yeah,
bird
you're a
too.
good boy.
I'm a bird.
Now we
Look
can
at the
test out the,
baby.
Oh, did she scare you?
I'm sorry.
Oh, the nails scared me.
Oh, I'm
It's
sorry,
okay.
It's okay.
So don't try that again.
Sing it, Buster. Sing it.
Oh my
You
gosh.
know how when you're trying to get on pitch, you
Yeah.
like, yeah.
Mariah Carey, you better watch out.
Pack it up.
Mhm.
You better be gentle.
Peekaboo, Buster.
You kind Buster. Aw,
Did you give her a
kisses.
kiss?
Ooh.
That was a good one. Sound barriers. Sound barriers. Sound barriers. Wow. Wow.
What?
Are you so happy?
And then what happened? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Look who it
Now
is.
Bub's here.
Go,
Oh,
Buster, go.
gosh.
Oh my god.
No. No.
Busty, sing
Busty.
it.
Oh.
You just said hello. Is that what you said?
You sound very pitchy today.
Yeah.
It's normal.
He's normally on key.
Bus.
Yeah.
Bus.
Everybody has an
Good.
off moment, even Lionel Richie. Got to see everybody.
Yeah.
Not everybody, but
You
lots.
You going to bed?
Did you see Bub, sisters? Oh, get your
Uh-oh.
steps in. Here we go. Yeah. Wow, Buster. Go, Buster, go. Go, Buster, go. Go, Buster, go. Go, Buster. It's not your birthday. Oh, sorry. Surprise. All right. Ready? Here goes the first curtain. Curtain number 1.
Hi, Cockatoo.
Mm-hmm.
I'm with the Cockatoo.
Mm-hmm. David. Loud Buster today, aren't you? Aw. Okay, here goes curtain number 2. Now, here goes curtain number 2.
Climbs up.
Mhm.
Nose is
It's all right. Night, Buster. Love you. Nighter, love you.